Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody just asked me a question via email, and this is RGB black 100%. And if you go over, it doesn't say what percentage it is till it gets to 90%, 80%. So if you're having to do a lot of work, what you can do is hold down your right mouse button and show color names. Now, I don't like it because it takes up too much room. I don't know if we could probably squeeze that down a little bit, but there's your 10% black, which is these are very gray, but they're 10% black. But I thought, well, that's not warrant of a video. But let's do this. Let's make that one black, no outline. Let's make another block, and let's make it white. So white is 255, 255, 255. Let's select them both. Let's go up to effects and blend them. Let's blend them 100 times. Now, let's take that blend apart and actually grab it and go object and ungroup it. Now, there's our first one, which is white, which is 255. Now, you can't really see the other colors. Let's put in a yellow background. I kind of like that bigger yellow swathe there. See, now you can see the difference of the colors. So if this is 100% white, this is 1% black. It's raised at 2 numbers. This one, it's raised it or lowered it. I mean, this is lowering it 3 numbers. This is lowering it 2 numbers. So that, even though that's white and you can't see it on this page, you can see it on a white page just barely. So you've got many more shades of black, basically, which is a light gray. This person wants to do it in just barely like a half-tone type engraving on some stuff. This would work. What I would maybe do is separate all these out. Just keep grabbing to the end. And if you look, this is 235. Well, if we go to 10% and hold over it, well, I'm trying to get the, well, I'll tell you what we'll do is make a box and make it 10% black. And if you look, that's 230. We're not even close to 230 yet. We're at 235. So here's probably that's not even there. So there's a 10% black right there, and it even shows you. So we've got these colors that are below 10%. And what I would do, if you're interested in this, engrave that. Hit T, put them all at the top, maybe even space them out evenly. Let's take our yellow box and see those are kind of close together. So what I would do is move that one over, hit T to put them on top, go up to Windows, Dockers, align and distribute, and align them where they're separated, and run you a test on that little bitty. I mean, that's going to be this. If this is under 10%, these are 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, I hope that makes a little sense. But there is a way, you could, if you needed a turquoise, and this is really handy, I would think, if you're in CMYK, if you're doing printing and you need to know that that's cyan and that's green and that's magenta, orange, pink. Most of you can tell, but mint green, ghost green, sea green, you get a lot of different looks. And all you have to do is just keep down the right click and unclick that to get away from it. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.